Hi everyone, now let me introduce this air fryer for you. This air fryer with capacity 4.5 liter. We can see what inside. And for this model, we can see totally what inside it when it's working. We can see the condition of the food. When the food was it's working, it's cooking inside. About this model, we know the glass pot is easy clean. The glass pot is no stick, easy clean, and visible. This is the advantage of this kind of model. Now let me show you the operation. We can press this button, and we can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 program. It's 5 program according to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is custom. We can adjust the temperature and the timer according to ourselves. Like now, I click the custom, then I can adjust the timer. The timer is 40 minutes longest. And 5 minutes shortest. Then the timer is from 5 minutes to 40 minutes. And the temperature, we can see the highest temperature is 200 degrees. And the lowest temperature is 120. And we can see here, for example, here is chicken. It showed 15 minutes and 180 degrees. Then we click the chicken. It's 15 minutes. When I click walking, then it shows temperature. The temperature is according to here, 180 degrees, and the timer is 15 minutes. The timer and the temperature will show one by one. When it's working, we can see clearly what is inside. And here I should remind you, don't touch the glass when the machine is working, because the glass temperature will be high. And don't let the glass touch water when the temperature of glass is high. We know high temperature glass will be easily broken to meet water. When I take out the machine, take out the pot, then the machine stop work. We can hear the sound of the fan, because the fan is release the heating. And when I take back the pot, it's begin working. This model has a special point. We can see from behind. We can see from two sides to see the food condition inside. Then we know how to control the cooking. and make the cooking good. When we find the cooking finished, find the food it's okay, then we can press here to stop the program. Okay, here it's this type of air fryer. If you have any question, you can leave a message to me. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.